I've always been a Mopar person by heart my whole life. This car, I've had it since I was 13. I'm 28 now, so it's been a work in progress through the years. My name is Chris Herndon. I am the owner and founder of HP Racing out of Bethlehem, Georgia, and I brought my '73 Satellite to the first Holley Mo Party. I found this car in a patch of woods. It actually had a fence post drove through the rear floor pan when I first got it. It was a auto metallic bronze. I put a big block in the car, drove it back and forth to college, and raced it for a while. Blew that engine up. Then I said, you know what? I've always wanted to do this performance shop my whole life, and I said, let's tear it apart, let's build it, make this my business card. So here we are. Have not been able to take it down the strip yet. It's super fresh. We thrashed it to get it here. I finished it the night before, put it on the trailer. We put it on the trailer, brought it here, and we're shooting for high 9s. We'll see, hopefully we'll get there. This year I came here for fun, really to get my name out here, to show people who I am, and the Mo Party has been absolutely amazing. It's been a great event. Everybody's been super friendly. The staff has been awesome. Next year we'll definitely have it on the track here.